Hello, everyone. 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. The video for today is on colloquial Chinese expressions you may come across in HSK listening test. Learning colloquial Chinese expressions 惯用语 is essential if you want to have a better understanding of the Chinese culture and historical background. Colloquial Chinese expressions expressing tone of voice, manner, and attitude. Number one, tone of blame or dissatisfaction. 不像话，不像话，不像话 outrageous or shocking. 你怎么能穿成这样去参加婚礼？太不像话了！你怎么能穿成这样去参加婚礼？太不像话了！你怎么能穿成这样去参加婚礼？太不像话了！ How could you go to a wedding wearing like this? It's simply outrageous. 气人，气人，气人 to annoy or irritating. 刚买的手机坏了，真气人。刚买的手机坏了，真气人。刚买的手机坏了，真气人。The mobile phone I just bought spoiled. Really irritating. 亏你说得出口，亏你说得出口，亏你说得出口。Have the nerve to. 这种大逆不道的话，亏你说得出口。这种大逆不道的话，亏你说得出口。这种大逆不道的话，亏你说得出口。You have the nerve to say such rebellious words. 怎么搞的？怎么搞的？怎么搞的？ How did it happen? What went wrong? What's the matter? 你今天是怎么搞的？总说错话。你今天是怎么搞的？总说错话。你今天是怎么搞的？总说错话。What is wrong with you today? Keep saying the wrong things. 别提了，别提了，别提了。Say no more. Don't bring it up. Drop the subject. 这么丢脸的事就别提了。这么丢脸的事就别提了。这么丢脸的事就别提了。Let's not bring up those embarrassing things anymore. 见鬼！见鬼！见鬼 ！Be absurd, incredible. 我明明把钱包放在这儿，怎么就不见了？见鬼了！我明明把钱包放在这儿，怎么就不见了？见鬼了！我明明把钱包放在这儿，怎么就不见了？见鬼了 I clearly placed the wallet over here. Why has it disappeared? What the heck? Number 2, tone expressing agreement or disagreement. Expressing agreement. 那还用说？那还用说？那还用说 Needless to say. 明天你会参加我的毕业典礼吧？明天你会参加我的毕业典礼吧？明天你会参加我的毕业典礼吧？那还用说，我一定准时到。那还用说，我一定准时到。那还用说，我一定准时到。Needless to say, I will be there on time. 没得说，没得说，没得说。Okay, of course, no problem. Goes without saying. 你的数学成绩那么好，教教我吧。你的数学成绩那么好，教教我吧。你的数学成绩那么好，教教我吧。没得说，明天我教你。没得说，明天我教你。没得说，明天我教你。Of course, I'll teach you tomorrow. 这餐厅的服务态度真是没得说。这餐厅的服务态度真是没得说。这餐厅的服务态度真是没得说。It goes without saying that the service attitude of this restaurant is very good. 可不是吗？可不是吗？可不是吗？ That is true. You can say that. 他的汉语说的真好。他的汉语说的真好。他的汉语说的真好。He speaks Chinese really well. 可不是嘛，说的跟中国人一样。可不是嘛，说的跟中国人一样。可不是嘛，说的跟中国人一样。It's true. He speaks like a native Chinese. 那倒也是。那倒也是。那倒也是。That's true. 买东西不要只看价钱，质量也很重要。买东西不要只看价钱，质量也很重要。买东西不要只看价钱，质量也很重要。When buying things, we should not just look at the price. Quality is also very important. 那倒也是，便宜没好货。那倒也是，便宜没好货。那倒也是，便宜没好货。That is true. Cheap things are not good. You can also say 这倒是。错不了，错不了，错不了 unmistakable。这个包是你的，错不了。这个包是你的，错不了。这个包是你的，错不了。This bag is definitely yours. Expressing disagreement. 谁说的？谁说的？谁说的 ？Who told you？ 听说玛丽快结婚了。听说玛丽快结婚了。听说玛丽快结婚了。Heard Mary is getting married soon. 谁说的？谁说的？谁说的 ？Who said so? Beats me. 梅尔的事。梅颖儿的事。梅颖的事。No such thing. 听说你快结婚了。听说你快结婚了。听说你快结婚了。Heard you are getting married soon. 梅尔的事，我们才认识没多久。梅颖儿的事，我们才认识没多久。梅尔的事，我们才认识没多久。No such thing. We only met not long ago. 走着瞧吧，走着瞧吧，走着瞧吧。Wait and see. 这盘棋你输定了。这盘棋你输定了。这盘棋你输定了。You will surely lose this chess game. 比赛还没结束，走着瞧吧。比赛还没结束，走着瞧吧。比赛还没结束，走着瞧吧。The game isn't over yet. Wait and see. 开什么玩笑？开什么玩笑？开什么玩笑 ？Are you kidding me？ 听说你当老板了。听说你当老板了。听说你当老板了。I heard you are your own boss. 开什么玩笑？我哪有钱当老板？开什么玩笑？我哪有钱当老板？开什么玩笑？我哪有钱当老板 ？Are you kidding me? I don't have the money to be a boss. 哦，我忘了带钱包了。哦，我忘了带钱包了。哦，我忘了带钱包了。Oh, I forgot to bring my wallet. 得了吧，每次要你买单都这么说。得了吧，每次要你买单都这么说。得了吧，每次要你买单都这么说。Give me a break. You say this whenever I ask you to foot the bill. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。